Hi, I welcome you to this Saturday vlog. Welcome my new subscribers. I appreciate each one of you, older and new subscribers. I do hope you find value on this channel. Welcome to this Saturday morning where I take time to make a healthy breakfast. Here it is actually my son making a cheese omelette, and we are getting ready for their day where they go for their activities. On Saturday, it is truly packed, and we like to take our time and get ourselves in order with a good breakfast. And today they're having, like I said, cheese omelette, some prunes, and chocolate croissant. As for me, that's not my breakfast. I like to have my omelets with vegetables. And here I'm having a tomato and onion omelette, which I just add salt and black pepper. And that really is it. I usually have that with either wholemeal toast or a crusty uh, bread roll. Uh, on this morning, I felt like having a crusty bread roll. So that's what I had with that this morning. And we like to pace ourselves. Before I get out, I also like to ensure that my kitchen is ready for the next phase of the day activities. So prior to this, I have already washed my dishes from, early in the morning. If I had anything else in the sink the previous day, which I try not to, I do wash them immediately in the morning before I start anything. My kitchen is very small, and so I have to be quite organized here. So let's go and let's keep watching and see how the rest of the day went. Now, having done my makeup or almost completed doing my makeup, it's almost time to step out and to think about what is on the shopping list, what is on the menu. I may or may not already have written a list at this point, or I may be mentally holding my shopping list. Yesterday, I did my shopping after work from the supermarket. So today, I only just have bits and pieces from maybe the places like Savers, maybe toiletries, or one or two things that perhaps I thought that maybe I bought but I may have missed. And just running one or two errands, such as the meat market as well, going to buy maybe fish or something like that. So let's keep going and see how the day goes. So here we are, it's time to step out. And I also wanted to just talk about the continuing increasing cost of living. that we are facing. We are in a recession in the UK, and the cost of food crisis continues to bite. Last week I was in Iceland, and some of the packs of chicken that I buy from there has gone up for approximately £2, I believe. I don't always buy chicken from Iceland, but there are things in there that sometimes I do buy frozen. Let's face it, there are things in there that are actually good, they're actually okay. There's the packs of fish that I buy that are for fish pies. They're not the whole fish like you'd get from the butchers, for instance. No, they are just the smaller packs of fish. If you feel like making a fish pie some weeks, I do get that, and sometimes I do a stir fry with it as well. I make a rice with it. So here I am heading into town, and as I said, I've been thinking about the cost of living crisis and how to make the budget really stretch, because things really do keep going up. Here in Savers, buying some soap and toiletries and things like that. So yeah, and also just to pick up some cleaning items. So yes, so let's keep going and see how I got on. So at this point, I had been done and I was just checking out. It was now time to go home after picking up some of the items that I had left out and needed for the rest of the week. Thanks for watching. Until next time, God bless you.